Faith is not the absence of fear. It is the courage to move forward while holding God's hand. Hope is not just waiting for the storm to pass. It is dancing in the rain because you trust the sun will rise again. When the road disappears, faith builds the bridge your eyes cannot see. Delay is not denial. Sometimes God pauses the journey to prepare you for the destination. Strength is not in what you carry, but in who carries you when you can no longer walk. Never measure tomorrow by today's pain. Hope is the whisper of God saying, your story isn't finished yet. Prayer doesn't change God's mind. It changes your heart and strengthens your soul. Even in the deepest night, heaven writes your name in light. Faith does not need to see the whole staircase. It dares to take the first step into the unknown. Every setback is heaven's secret rehearsal for your grand comeback.
Power Within TV. Unleash the power within.